Elon Musk has finally revealed a new motor that shocks the entire industry. What makes this Tesla motor special? How is it designed? What are its capabilities? And how significant is this motor to an electric vehicle? Join me today in this video as we explore Elon Musk's new motor that astonishes the entire industry. As the top producer of EVs in the world, Tesla has been unveiling new technologies that have astonished many in the automotive industry. With their advanced research personnel, Tesla has developed a brand new electric motor that is cleverly designed and wired, unlike anything seen before. Elon Musk has always been associated with groundbreaking achievements. Besides being the CEO of the world's top EV producer, Tesla Musk is also the richest man alive, with a net worth of $255 billion, according to recent reports. However, unlike other billionaires, Musk's wealth is not squandered on overseas holidays, but is used to fuel his ambitions, one of which is achieving a worldwide transition to clean energy, particularly in the transport industry, which is the leading emitter of greenhouse gases. This focus places research on electric vehicle propulsion mechanisms at the top of the list. The first Tesla fully electric vehicle, the Roadster, was produced in 2008. This vehicle was designed specifically for the high-end market and had features as impressive as existing luxury cars. However, the key difference between the Roadster and other luxury cars was its use of an induction motor, while other luxury cars used internal combustion engines, IC. To enter a market dominated by IC vehicles, the Roadster had to have extra capabilities or peculiarities. Besides its incredible range, the Roadster's powertrain became iconic due to its powerful induction motor. The Roadster achieved an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds and a maximum speed of over 200 miles per hour. The induction motor was used in Roadsters from 2008 to 2012, after which production was halted to develop and produce the Model S. Another notable motor technology used by Tesla is the Permanent Magnet Synchronous Reluctance Motor, PMSRM. The PMSRM motor combines the permanent magnet motor and synchronous reluctance motor techniques. The Tesla Model Y uses this technology. The PMSRM motor was the pinnacle of Tesla motors until Elon Musk launched another incredible motor under the Palladium program to update the versions of the Model S and X. According to Elon Musk, the motor dubbed the Plaid carbon-wrapped motor is unparalleled in the world. He stated, "The Plaid carbon-wrapped motor is arguably the most advanced motor on Earth, outside of maybe a lab somewhere." To understand how this brilliant machine works, let's turn to the basics. Simply put, a motor is an electronic machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy in the form of torque. When electric current passes through a wire, it produces a magnetic field around it. When this wire is coiled and placed between two magnets of differing poles, the magnetic field of the wire interacts with that of the magnet, causing one side to be pushed up and the other down. By rapidly changing the polarity of the magnet, the wire is set in rotation. There are three major types of motors: induction motors, permanent magnet motors, and synchronous reluctance motors. All use the same principle with minor variations. A permanent magnet motor uses permanent magnets on its rotor, while the stator has a coil of wire whose magnetic field can be controlled by adjusting the power. When AC current passes through the coils of the stator, it induces a magnetic field that interacts with the stator's permanent magnetic field, causing it to spin. The induction motor, on the other hand, has no permanent magnet. The rotating magnetic field, RMF, produced by the windings of the stator, induces a current in the coils of the rotor, generating a magnetic field and causing the motor to spin, as if trying to align with the stator's RMF. The synchronous reluctance motor is a blend of the two, but does not use permanent magnets, making it somewhat cheaper. All of this culminates in the new Plaid carbon-wrapped motor unveiled in Tesla's Palladium program. The Palladium program was a top-secret project by Tesla to update the looks, design, and features of the Model S and X. The Plaid Model S was launched last year with impressive new features. The company had to make significant preparations by building another production line in their Gigafactory in Nevada, equipped with new machines dedicated to producing the Plaid carbon-wrapped motor. This motor represents a major leap forward with superb features compared to anything before it. The motor has been knitted together using carbon fiber, a material known for its lightweight and strength. As such, the motor is so light that it can actually be lifted by hand. Weight is crucial for electric vehicles, EVs. A larger weight can significantly reduce the range. Therefore, this motor won't add any extra weight, leaving room for additional components to make the car even more appealing. Achieving this motor design wasn't easy for the company. Even Elon Musk confessed during the presentation that this is the first time a production electric motor with a carbon overwrapped rotor has been developed. He mentioned that it is incredibly difficult because carbon and copper have very different rates of thermal expansion. To create a carbon overwrapped rotor, it must be wound with extremely high tension, which is a challenging task. However, their new automated machine in Nevada was specifically built for this purpose, enabling them to develop this remarkable motor. The Tesla Plaid carbon-wrapped motor boasts a strong magnetic field, which is much stronger compared to motors held together by metal. This powerful magnetic field is key to its performance, affecting power output and RPM rates. A stronger magnetic field causes the stator and rotor to attract and repel more violently, resulting in higher torque and power. The motor also has a high revolution per minute, RPM, which is crucial for acceleration and speed. Elon Musk highlighted the motor's ability to achieve high RPMs, with carbon sleeves preventing the copper rotor from expanding due to radial acceleration. RPM is essential for EVs as it impacts both acceleration and speed. The new Plaid Model S accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, which is exceptional. During the first road test with the Plaid Model S, Musk expressed his satisfaction, noting that no production car has ever achieved 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Increasing torque often leads to overheating issues, a common problem for both EVs and internal combustion engines. However, the Plaid motor manages to achieve immense torque without overheating. It also features a superb cooling system to manage heat effectively. The Plaid Model S has an excellent powertrain. The carbon-wrapped motor is a prime example of power, with a total output of 1,200 horsepower. To maximize this power, the powertrain is cleverly arranged. 2 motors power the back wheels, and a single motor powers the front wheels, connected to the front axle. This tri-motor setup has been used in the Model S since its first production in 2012 and is expected to be adopted in the next Roadster generation. The Plaid motor requires advanced battery technology. The battery module and packs were redesigned to support higher power charging and discharging. This improvement reduces charge time and enhances acceleration. Surprisingly, the Plaid Model S uses the older 18650 cells rather than the planned 4680 cells or the 2170 cells used in the Model 3 and Model Y. Despite being older, the 18650 cells were re-engineered to be more energy-dense. To address safety concerns, Tesla reduced the number of battery packs from 16 to just 5, without compromising energy density. The new design incorporates more silicon, a technique planned for the 4680 modules, potentially making it even more powerful.